Swami Tiwari. Today we second standard Aryabhatta conducting assembly. Now may I call CJ to say thought of the day.
Good morning, sir. My name is CJ Rakta. Third of the day. If you want to attain something, then remain focused. Thank you.
Thank you, CJ. Now may I call Sai to say word of the day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sai Tade. Word of the day. Muscles. MUSCES. Muscles. Muscles means muscle. Second, tired. 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 Tired means thakan. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai. Now may I call Saili to
मसल का स्पेलिंग क्या है? तो बताओ राइट था क्या? हाँ रॉन्ग था.
Thank you, Sai. Now may I call Saili to say news headlines.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saili Mangal for news headlines. First, former Indian captain Rani Rampal imparts hockey lesson to youngsters. Second, former Indian captain.
Thank you, Saili. Now may I call Ravya to ask DK question.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rava Sundake. GK question. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun?
ये सारा था.
The right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Second, who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? The right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravya. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.